Your customers send multiple email messages hoping for a faster response. Community portals offer great self-service solutions, providing customers with knowledge, documentation, and online chat. Email-to-Case Premium gives your customers the best of both worlds. Customers can update cases via email or use the reply and timeline component in the community. Your customer can add or edit recipients and compose messages with full rich text functionality. Productivity enhancement tools allow your customers to take screenshots, add inline images, and upload files. If your customer navigates away from the page, their progress is saved with a draft comment. The timeline shows a chronological history and makes it easy for your customer to search through long threads. They can hover over files for a quick preview or open a larger view. How would you use the reply and timeline component for Email-to-Case Premium to improve your service experience?